Sunny day!
Sunny day, but it's windy day. Sunny day, but there's Liv. There's Liv.
The baby.
The other one at the bottom.
Yeah. Baby girl and a baby boy.
Yeah.
Apakagaling, apakagaling.
Ay, ala, balik na tayo. Ah.
Ayan na po. Dito na po
Ayan na
ang
po ang
aming bus. Ayan, tingnan natin kung paano siya magsakay. Ayan, bumababa po yung bus. Bumababa. Bumababa. Ayan. Thank you. You don't want to sit, ate?
Alright. Okay. Ah.
Kasi dito guys, ang mga nakasama mga bahay nila.
Sa
Hindi natapos
front door.
Iniwan po nila doon. Tapos na nila, pamigay na nila. So kung hindi ka lang makaselan, hindi ka maaari. Isang oras kasi kung 13 tayo nakasakay, tapos 2:13 tayo makakarating.
Tilapia at bangos tayo today. Hello. Here is little
Yung Flemington kasi malayo dito eh. Doon daw, yun daw ang pinakamurang market dito sa Sydney.
Sydney, ah.
Flemington. Flemington market.
You're smiling. Smiling.
Don't disturb her.
No, why? No! No, I don't want to. No, please, no.
You don't have choice.
Oh my God, I'm about to cry. I'm taking her with us. Sige, to Parmita. Kids like this one. Oh.
You can just say don't cry because you will
Stop
cry.
crying. You are shouting, guys. That's why she's awake. We don't cry.
That's Auntie from Nepal.
Yeah, there you go. Much better.
Hindi siya maalam. You can put your hands like this.
Wow. Like this? Yeah. And how's it? No, I will.
On your shoulders.
It will fall out.
You can put your hands like this.
Yeah. See? Move.
Oh, you don't have any nieces, nephews.
No.
Like this. Oh, look at Ria. Look at Ria.
Yeah, I have, but I feel
Nervous?
yes to carry the small.
That's a small one, yes.
No, I had one niece.
One is
So
Baby
I,
boy? Girl.
good. So
Oh.
I used to take care of them.
Good job, baby boy.
It's okay. I'm much less.
It's silent here when they are.
She's smiling. She's smiling. Don't tell me you're taking a poop.
smiling, smiling. We're here at Piermont. Where's the bus stop then? Bus stop, bus stop. Bus stop.
Kuya, saan na?
Tawid pala dito sa lahat.
Dito, dito?
Dito.
Allen Street.
Tanungin mo yung isa kung may kowa. Mukhang mabait yun eh.
Yun yung
Japanese ata. No, parang Japanese. Chinese. Hindi Chinese, Japanese yun.
Saan tayo? Saan tayo?
Dito ate.
Tawid, tawid.
Ayan na yan.
Yun yung tayo.
Tawid. Tawid, 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 tawid. Harris Street? Dito? Just gonna stand there and wait. It's alright because I love the way it hurts. I love the way it hurts. We're walking again. We'll catch the bus. Catch the bus 408. Stand L. Wow, there's a lot of people today. Weather is sunny. Oops, 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 oops.
Saan ka mapunta ha?
Wow, we have McDonald's in here.
Hindi pa tayo kumain.
Mag-McDo tayo?
Mamaya.
Mamaya?
Baka wala tayong pabilhan natin.
Ay, oo pala, oo pala.
Okay lang naman. Mamaya.
May McDo ba doon? Ay, sige, saka na. Busy Road. McDonald is waving. Point. Stand L. Ay, ala. Hindi ako pupunta dyan, ate. Right now we are at Faros Seafood. Let's see what's inside because they said this is a famous seafood. And let's check also the price. Nasaan po yung bangos? Ay, ang lalaki. Ten. Nine.
Ano ba gusto mo? Maglakad tayo ng ano?
Hindi.
Bus na lang?
Bas na lang.